So we have way too much experience with needing to come and get cold stuff. But it's good to know that there's little markets that have this stuff.
Yes.
So this is what we're gonna get so that Meaghan can sleep on the plane.
And it is essentially just knockout juice.
It's wonderful. So, since I have yet another cold in Disney, I wanted to do a little impromptu what to do when you're sick in Disney World. Number one, make sure you rest up and drink lots of fluids. You should do that regardless, but that will help you prevent getting sick and help make you feel better. Make sure that you're, taking lots of breaks, especially if you're out in the heat, and, try to get some air conditioning, sit down. You're gonna need more time to relax than usual. If you don't have any cold medicine, there's a few options. Number one is most, if not all of the resorts have little shops that you can go and get little toiletries in, and so you can buy some medicine, anything that you need to help you feel better, and they do take annual pass holder discounts as well, so you get the percentage off of that, which is nice. Also, you can take a lift and just go, there's tons of like Walmart, Target, Walgreens, CVS, whatever. Especially around the Disney Springs area, there's a bunch of stuff over there. And then your third option is there is a pharmacy that Disney has a partnership with. I can't remember the name of it. I want to say it's like Fred's or something, but they can deliver medication to you. You just need to call in and have it delivered to your resort. And I believe that your doctor can call in prescriptions there that they will deliver to you as well. We looked into that last time when we were on our honeymoon in November last year, but we just ended up having someone call it in to, I believe it's like a Walgreens, and going and picking it up there with a Lyft. Lyft was able to do you can add a stop. So we had them take us there. I went and picked up my prescription, and then we left and went back to the hotel, all with the same driver. So that was really nice. Also, in the parks, there are first aid centers. They have medicine, they have like beds you can rest in, and they can take care of you, obviously, if you're feeling like really ill and you can't get yourself back to your hotel or wherever you're staying. And other than that, just take care of yourself. That's my best advice for you. It sucks being sick, and it happens to me literally every time, but just do your best and feel better.